Ever wonder how artists make shadows feel deep and highlights glow effortlessly? In this tutorial, I'll show you how multiply and screen blend modes can transform your paintings, creating depth, light, and that extra wow factor. Let's dive into these powerful tools and see them in action. I use these blend modes for the finishing touches towards the end of the video. Multiply reduces the brightness and is perfect for adding shadows or richness to colors. Screen mode is often used to lighten images, making anything that's pure black transparent. Here you will see me using multiply for the shadows and screen for the